In this session, let's see about the smart flow builder. So this will helpful you to gather the requirements to your customers or users. So this is the flows management page. So here you can view the data. So this is the data which belongs to the particular flow or form. So the first name, last name, email ID, phone number, street or address, city, state, pin code, communication method, topic of interest, and newsletter OTP. So these are the terms which is filled in the particular form or flows. So these are the datas. The next we can create a new flow. So just click on the create flow. Here we have to give a flow name. I'm just giving a flow name as customer feedback, and in category I'm just choosing others. Here we need to add the screen, so I'm just giving the screen name as customer feedback and just save this screen name. From here I just need to click the field and we need to select the components. So let me choose the heading. Right here I need to select the text heading or subheading, body and caption. So I'm just selecting text heading. Like in the text I'm just giving customer details and click add field, so it will be in the header format. Next I'm just adding the field as text inbox. In the field label I'm just enter the text like enter your name, input type as text, and I mention is required, so it's marked as a red star. So I'm just giving a character limit as 3 to 26. It was optional, but I'm just giving. So if I need to add the next field, I'm just need to add the field, then clicking select component, then I'm just giving the enter your number. So in the input type I just want to select the number and is required, I'm just selecting and add field. The same way I have to repeat what are the terms I just need. I just want to fill it right here. Enter your mail ID. So in that input type I want to select email. So the next I'm just selecting component as a text inbox. Enter your location. So in the input type I'm just using the text and add field. The next term I'm just choosing the text area. In the text area label I'm just giving the name as our product feedback. So once everything done, they can able to give the feedback in a text area portion. So next I'm just choosing the field as called drop down. So it will be list out the categories. So I'm just label the drop down as service category. In the name I'm just giving us select service category. So in the meta and description needed I'm just choose the type as no provide simple option list. So here right here I'm just giving the content like product quality, delivery schedule, customer survey like customer support, billing and website experience, and take over the terms and mentioning the right here I'm just using the comma to every list, so that will be helpful to drop down that one after one another. So once everything is done, just click add field. That particular drop down will look like this. So the next, and just add the field like footer. So I'm just giving the footer label as next and add field. Right here I'm just adding the second screen to add screen, and I'm just giving the screen name as feedback form and just save this. So we can able to create a multiple form in particular one form. So I'm just using this second form and start the same work. So I'm just using checkbox. So right here I'm just giving a checkbox label as area you liked, and I'm just giving the name as same. I'm giving the terms as product quality, everything, customer service, easy navigation, everything. The terms will come after one after another using the comma. So the next will be pop up like this. And next I'm just using the next term is called radio button. I'm just use the overall satisfaction and giving the name as same term. I'm just using the like satisfaction like excellent, good, average or poor. So they can able to select in a radio button wave. So the next I'm just using date picker. I'm just giving the date label name as purchase date and name as purchase date. I'm giving a the date range value from certain date to end date. And if you have a enable or block dates, you can also mention write down. I'm just using the terms as 31st. So added. So it look like this. So the next term I'm just using a calendar picker. So right here the same to same work, how it's work like. I'm just using the word as preferred callback schedule and name as the same. I'm just using, if you need to enter any helper text you can able to give. I'm just selecting like editing like select your preferred callback schedule, and here also you have to give the date range from particular date to particular date, so end date. And there is the option like block and enable dates. I'm just giving one particular date and giving a terms. So it's look like the same way, but it make works differ. So the next term is called chip select. So right here I'm just giving a chip selector label as interested products. I'm giving a name like the same way. So here the helper text will be select interested product, select your interested products. So I want to give a maximum selected items, so I just want to give the count. So it's an optional. So right here you need to give the every terms. So if the maximum selectable item means the particular things you can able to select a particular count of terms. So I'm just marking every words between the comma. Then I'm just using that 3. So 3 items they can able to fetch it. So the next term is called opt-in. So right here you just want to give like that I agree to receive promotional offers, updates, that kind of notification. So you have to give here, as I'm just giving a name as agree the above terms and conditions. So it's required. So I'm just click the box, checkbox and giving. So it will be look like this, and I'm just add the next field as footer, as I'm giving as a submit button. So once the everything will be filled, they just click the submit button and their data will be gathered as a requirements. So right here, so there is a two screen. So the screen is everything is done. If you want to edit, there is a edit option also is available. I'm just editing in the location as enter your order ID. So I'm just giving as a number and get updated file. Like it's needed means you just mark this and update it. So it will be updated. So there is a delete option also. So once everything is done, you just check everything is okay or not. So once everything is done, you just click the save flow. It get published. Then using this flows, you can able to use it on the automation to gather their requirements in a form way. So the flows get published. So the flow name was customer feedback and it was published, the last update and data counts, etc.